योद्धा बनो. Students, be like a warrior. Think like a warrior. We sometimes unnecessarily complicate our lives, students. And especially students of the 21st century, where there is a lot of things to do, and students, they don't know what to do, when to do, how much to do. We unnecessarily complicate our lives, and with so much of negative thoughts in our mind, guys. You can't enter into a battlefield, you can't think about winning unless you start thinking like a warrior. I am going to win this. This is important. This is the power of positive thoughts. This is the power of that mindset what warrior has. You bloody have to think the task that I have taken, I am going to win it. और ये सोच बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Friends, you can't be thinking about ये मुझसे होगा या नहीं होगा, मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Bloody I will do it. At any cost, I will do it. This is what you need to have. I want that students of this generation should do, should think, should make sure that they involve and engage themselves in more and more पॉजिटिव थॉट्स. सकारात्मक सोच की शक्ति अगर एक बार महसूस कर लोगे तो शायद कोई नेगेटिविटी आपको कभी भी टच नहीं कर पाएगी. आई मीन, यू मस्ट हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, लॉट ऑफ कोट्स, बट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस बुक्स कॉल्ड गीता, आई वुड से भगवत गीता, जिसके कुछ वर्सेस ऐसे हैं जो आपकी पूरी स्टूडेंट लाइफ ही नहीं बट द एंटायर लाइफ साइकिल कैन बी successful. The whole of your thought process can be governed and curated using these 3 verses, students. I mean, I would just want to tell you one small narration. I mean, this book ideally was being completely recited by Lord Krishna in the battlefield. When the confusion had completely engulfed Arjun, जब अर्जुन के मन में पूरी दुनिया की दुविधा थी, मैं रण में उतर कर फाइट करूं या ना करूं, ये सोच थी, तब श्री कृष्ण ने भगवत गीता का उपदेश दिया था. गाइस, it's not a time pass book. I am not here to have the religious aspect given to Bhagavad Gita. जब आप रण में उतर चुके हो, जब आप एक स्टूडेंट लाइफ जी रहे हो, जब आप एक विद्यार्थी हो, तो आपको ये बैटल जीतनी ही है. You have to win this battle. You are exactly probably at the stage what Arjun was thousands of years ago. So all the solutions you get from these 3 verses exclusively meant for student life. Whatever difficult situation, whatever confusion, whatever crossroads you are at, these 3 verses what I am going to narrate right now for you in a while will totally change your thought process towards your approach. Your thinking has to become positive. आपकी सोच को सकारात्मक होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And these 3 thoughts are, here they go. Number 1 verse. एक ऐसा स्टेटमेंट है, जब मैंने भगवत गीता में इसको पढ़ा था, इसने मेरी सोच बदल दी, इसने मेरा काम करने का तरीका बदल दिया. और यही चीज आज आप हर कामयाब इंसान के एटीट्यूड में, उसके बिहेवियर में और उसके रेगुलर लाइफ में आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे. द श्लोक और द स्टेटमेंट व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंड विल सर्टेनली चेंज योर लाइफ इज, हियर इट गोज. If you fail, change your strategy, don't change your goal. Too deep, guys. एक बार फेल होने से, 2 बार फेल होने से, 3 बार फेल होने से, it's too easy to give up, but it's harder to keep going. So don't change your goal, change your strategy to achieve that goal. Number 2, guys. Number 2, if you contemplate with faith, yes, it's very important. You have to think with complete faith and emotions in it. Whatever you want to achieve, or whatever you achieve, or whatever you desire to achieve in your life, you got to contemplate upon it. You got to think about it. You got to manifest upon it with faith. The moment you do it, the moment you learn to do that, you have already achieved. And the last one, very important, extremely important. Why do you worry unnecessarily? Whom do you fear? And who the hell has power to beat you unless you? Think about it. It's you who lose before anybody makes you lose. आपने हार मान ली है, इसलिए आप हार गए हो. Think about it. Do not fear. Do not worry unnecessarily. So guys, be compassionate towards what you do. Love what you do. Believe in yourself. And if you want to see more such videos, if you want to make sure that you get regular updates about such content, do hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.